The pictures you're about to see will show you how poorly trained policemen in Uttar Pradesh are. It's a routine visit by a senior police officer in the presence of the media, and this turned into a huge embarrassment for the police team. When policemen failed, one, to hold their weapons correctly and then fire it effectively. The reason? The police just didn't know how to handle their rifles, much less fire them. The force was red-faced.
It was supposed to be a routine visit, an Inspector General of Police inspecting the main police station in Kannauj. Media was present in large numbers for the perfect visit, but it all went downhill once the IG ordered a surprise demonstration of the mob control weapons. A senior officer summoned clearly had no idea how to use the 7-bore shotgun. He was left fumbling with the heavy rifle in his hands. Asked to load the weapon, the officer tried again and again but failed. Others were left squirming in embarrassment even as the IG pressed on with his verbal attack. Next, another officer was called in. He was asked to pick another gun and asked what the gun was for. Shockingly, the cop had no idea. Nor did the officer know which kind of bullets went into the gun. He tried to redeem himself only to face further rebuke by his IG. The scenes were similarly embarrassing in the arms and ammunition room of the police station. None of those present could operate the rifles, some of them even struggling with the bolt action.
पुलिस की अंदरूनी व्यवस्था और उसके इंटरनल मैनेजमेंट का एक अच्छा इंडिकेटर होता है, इसलिए पुलिस लाइन का भ्रमण, इसमें पुलिस लाइन के लगभग हर पहलू को मैंने देखा। कुछ कमियां, कुछ इनको सुझाव दिए गए और कुछ बातें, कुछ निर्देश एसपी साहब को दिए गए।
Bureau Report, India Today.
KL Gupta is former Director General of Uttar Pradesh Police. He joins me on the broadcast. Sir, what do you make of these images? Police officers unable to fire their weapons, don't know how to use it, don't know when to use it. How often are they trained? How often do they go to the firing range, sir?
No, they are supposed to be trained earlier in the training colleges. Then there is an annual firing practice. The officers have their revolvers as their personal weapons. Constables have the other weapons like guns and rifles. So everybody should test fire every year. Sometimes the ammunition is not available. Sometimes the officers are very casual. So all is very unsatisfactory. Officers should know all the weapons. Of course, they should fire all the weapons. They should know. But their personal weapon is revolver or the pistol. So you can't fault them very much for not firing the bigger guns like rifles and other things. But constable and sub-inspectors, everybody should know. Otherwise, how can you handle the riots? You must personally know the weapons. Personally, you should be able to dismantle them and load them and fire. That is another thing. That is professional competence. But actually, they don't know even to fire the revolver. They don't have the ammunition also.
Which is very unfortunate. Which is very unfortunate because terrorists today are so well trained. How will these policemen take on terrorists if they can't even hold their weapon, if they don't even know how to fire it effectively? For the moment, Mr. Gupta, many thanks.